I've just finished installing this pivoting shower screen just on the edge of the bath here, and where the channel is screwed and fixed into the tiles, it needs to be sealed. So I'm going to be using 3C's HM Clear Sealant,
which is a premium quality silicone sealant that's perfect for all sanitary applications. From the outside, I'd normally start from the top and work my way down to the bottom in one straight line. Make sure both surfaces are clean, dry and dust free. Using 3C's silicone wipes, I'd clean any grease from my finger, then whilst the silicone is still wet, I'd use my fingertip to smooth off and shape the clear silicone sealant. Of course, you could use a smoothing tool if you preferred. 3C's HM is a high quality silicone sealant with great adhesion. It has excellent resistance to mould growth and adheres to most integral substrates, even in high humidity areas.
Now leave your silicone for about 24 hours before you use the shower. If you're looking for more how-to videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But if you just want to know more about the vast range of products that 3C stock, head over to their website.